Hello and welcome to our latest breaking news. Stellenbosch FC have announced the signing of Ashley Dupree in a permanent transfer from Kaizer Chiefs. Dupree, who's 29 years old, came through the youth ranks at Stelis and made his senior debut in 2016, raking up 98 appearances for the club. Before moving to Amakhosi in 2022, he spent 4 years at Naturena, helping the club to win the Nedbank Cup, but he never fully lived up to expectations, and he has now returned back to the Winelands. The club has confirmed. Here is a statement from Stellenbosch FC. It says, Stellenbosch FC is delighted to announce the signing of Ashley Dupree on a permanent transfer from Kaizer Chiefs in a deal that sees the Idars Valley-born star return for a second spell at the club. Dupree has been handed the iconic jersey number 10 for the 2026-27 season and could be in line to make his debut when Stellenbosch FC takes on Polokwane City in the Betway Premiership match on the 11th of August. And Stellenbosch FC CEO Rob Bernardi expressed his excitement about the return of one of their own. He says, Ashley has always held a special relationship with this club and the Stellenbosch community, so we are incredibly excited to bring him home. He is also an exceptional footballer who has constantly proven his quality in the Betway Premiership over a number of years, and we believe he will add enormous value to our squad depth on and off the pitch. Those are the words of Stellenbosch FC CEO Rob Bernardi. And Stellenbosch FC new signing Ashley Dupree on his sensational return to the Cape Winelands after penning a new long-term deal with the Maroons. Had this to say, he says, I always knew that I would come back to Stellenbosch. It's great to be back where I grew up and at the club where it all started for me, and to be part of the Stellenbosch family again. The community knows me well and has supported me since the start of my professional career. So being a local player and representing the club again is a huge honor and a privilege for me. It's an amazing feeling to be back. Those are the words of Ashley Dupree. Now let me hear your thoughts. What do you think of this signing by Stellenbosch FC to sign Ashley Dupree back to the club? And Kaizer Chiefs also released a statement that says, Chiefs confirmed Dupree's move to Stellenbosch. Kaizer Chiefs striker Ashley Dupree has left the club to join Stellenbosch FC in the Western Cape. We extend our gratitude to Ashley for serving the club with diligence, dedication and professionalism, and we wish him all the best in his career. That's the statement from Kaizer Chiefs. We know that Ashley Dupree's transfer to Stellenbosch FC was part of a swap deal involving him, Given Msimango, coming to Stellenbosch FC and Langelihle Phili going to Kaizer Chiefs. Because Kaizer Chiefs wanted to sign Langelihle Phili, however, Stellenbosch had a 16 million price tag for his signature. What Chiefs did, after intense long negotiations, they decided to give Stellenbosch FC Ashley Dupree and Given Msimango plus a cash payment for the services of Langelihle Phili. And Stellenbosch agreed. And yesterday, Kaizer Chiefs signed Langelihle Phili. And today, Stellenbosch FC have signed Ashley Dupree. And we heard that Given Msimango is on his way to Stellenbosch to sign with Stellenbosch FC. That's the end of the news for today. See you next time.